Hey, how's it going? My name's Rob, you may know me better as Chunky. I mostly do gaming videos, vlogs, things like that, but I have half an hour to make a video, and I wanted to compare some of the tech that I use. So I started thinking of ideas, and then I realized I use this more than pretty much anything else. So today we're going to be comparing the 4 microphones that I use on a daily basis. We have the Samson C01U Pro, which is an amazing USB mic. It's super cheap. We're also going to be comparing the Tascam DR-05, which is a really cool microphone. You've probably seen this a couple of times in ASMR videos if you're into that kind of thing. I'll be showing demonstrations in a minute, just bear with me. The other option is the Rode Videomic Go, which is a really tiny little mic that I normally use in my GoPro when I'm vlogging. It's cute, it's adorable. Then the fourth and final microphone we're going to be showing off is the Rode Videomic Go, which is again a great microphone. I've had this one for about 5 years. You can tell it's a little bit battered. We've got some tape on there holding the mount together because I broke it a couple of times. It still is one of the best run and gun mics that I could use for my Canon. It's amazing. Let's go ahead and compare all of the audio, and you guys can let me know which one you prefer. Roll the intro. So the audio you're hearing now is coming straight from the Tascam. I love this microphone. The quality is amazing, especially considering the price. This one is around about 60 to 70 pounds, depending on where you get it from. And it's an older model, but it still holds up. It's got a peak indicator, so that if you ever get a little bit too loud, it starts flashing and it tells you, hey, back up. You can also adjust the gain on the fly while recording. So all of a sudden things start getting quieter, you get less background noise, but you have to get a lot closer to the microphone, which means more air and things like that. It sounds cool, but it can be a pain. So that's why you would turn it all the way up to the point where you can now hear a lot more background noise, but I don't have to hold it up close to my face. Now back to the Samson C01U without any kind of EQ or filters. What we're going to do is go ahead and plug in the VideoMic Go, and we can actually use the Tascam to record from this microphone. Now bear in mind it's only got a muff on because I've actually broken the I've broken the mount. It still works perfectly fine, but yeah, without this little muff and this tape, it would not it would not be staying together. Okay, so everything you're hearing right now is coming straight from the VideoMic Go. Back to the Samson C01U, this time with filters and EQ and everything else. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and plug in the Rode Videomic. Again, I love this microphone. This is great. I normally hook this up with my GoPro. I've got a little case here which has a hot shoe on top. You just stick this in here, bada bing, bada bong, give it a little tighten. This goes around here and plugs straight into the GoPro. Voila, you have a cool little vlogging setup that is lightweight. You can take it anywhere you go. Okay, so everything you're hearing now is coming straight from the Rode Videomic. Again, I love this mic. It's great, and I feel like the quality, if anything, is comparable to the VideoMic Go. There's a lot of Rode stuff going around right now, but it's there. Of course, you still have the gain on the Tascam, so you can get nice and close, but then you start getting a lot of wind and popping sounds and things like that you don't really want. One thing that I have done on a couple of occasions, which has actually been really helpful, is if you can just pop this out, take this little hot shoe off. If you get yourself a longer cable, hook it up like this. Tascam can be in your pocket, microphone can be just chilling here, and you can just talk freely. I can't do that because I don't have anything to like hook this onto, but it's a great option. There we go. So those are the 4 microphones that I use every single day making YouTube content. Now I know this video isn't exactly that formal, but I just wanted to make this as a kind of simple comparison for anybody looking to get any of these mics. Check them out, have a listen, see what you think. My favorite when I'm streaming is this, just because it's easy, simple. You're not going to do anything with it. I do have more expensive mics just chilling in drawers, but that means I have to do like an XLR setup, and I do not care for things to be that complicated. Let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite, and if you want to see more comparisons of things like this, let me know. I'm more than happy to make them. It's nice, it's simple. There's no bullshit, no sponsors, nothing like that. It's just me playing around with some tech. All right, I love your faces. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You're amazing and beautiful, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.